Hey guys, the other day I was showing you when you put text into the Book app, if you want to be able to do some special things with the text, like spin it in different directions or perhaps overlay text on top of text, there was not a really good way to do that inside the Book Creator app. And I showed you how to do it using something out of Clippish Pro, but I went through it pretty quick, and I know that some of you might need to see it again, so I decided to make this podcast. If you have your iPad out, you can follow along with me and just pause this video as I go to take it step by step. The first thing that I did is I went into Clippish Pro. Once Clippish Pro was launched, I clicked the iMovie templates. You can find that in the bottom row in the middle. Once I got in there, I tapped on the third button over, which is Solid Colors. Once the Solid Colors came up, I tapped on the white. That brings me an empty white background. Once I was here, I tapped on the Customize button in the bottom left. Once I did that, this screen appears, and then I click on the Text button on the left-hand side. Once that occurs, you can see that you can write whatever you want. There was Chris's Tricky from our class, but I'm going to simply go ahead and type in "This is cool," and then say done. Soon as I say done, it's going to pop up here on the screen saying that this is cool. Okay? Up top in the upper right hand corner, I'll hit done again, and now this is a slide, an actual picture with the words "this is cool." To save it to my camera roll, I'll tap the save button in the lower right hand side. That puts that into my camera roll. Once it's there, I can exit out of here, and then I'm going to launch the Eraser app. Once Eraser opens up, I'll click on the camera in the upper left hand side and choose Photo Album. From there, I'll go to my camera roll, and at the very bottom you can see "This is cool." I'll click on "This is cool." It will load up here and show the words "This is cool" with the white background. All I have to do is tap the screen with my finger somewhere on the right portion, on the white portion, and then it will disappear. Now remember, the other day I told you if there is areas that were separate, they would stay white, and you can see the middle of the O's in the word cool. In order to fix that, all I have to do is move my mouse on top of the center of the letter O, and it will clear it out. And then if I do the same thing on top of the other center, it will clear it out. So now here is "This is cool" as a transparent background. In the upper right hand corner, I'll hit on that box with the arrow, and I'll choose to save it as a large image. Takes a second, it'll get sent down to the camera roll, and now I'm done with this app. Next, I can launch the Book app. And here I am. I'm going to go back to the main page where it says My Books so that I can start a new project so you can see it from scratch. So I hit the plus sign and choose New Book. Once it's there, I'm going to choose the default 2-page view, and you'll see that it opens up with the word Welcome. Remember, if I click on the word Welcome, I can click and hold and move it to wherever I would like it to go. I'm going to go ahead and leave it there, and then click on the picture icon in the upper left. Then go to my camera roll, and I can choose that last image that looks to appear black. Once I do that, it puts "This is cool" on the screen. Now if I tap on "This is cool," you'll see this is now a piece of art that I can move around, and because it's transparent, I can put it right on top of something else, and it doesn't make it hide the other piece. The other part is, since this is a piece of the top one is an image, I can pinch and make it bigger and make it smaller. You'll notice on the Welcome, I cannot do that. It just makes the box bigger but does not change the size of the text. That's because right now Welcome is text, and you can see that by me tapping on it. I can edit it. Whereas "This is cool" is no longer text, it's actually a picture. Now also remember, since it's a picture, you can also take 2 fingers, put them on the screen, and twist "This is cool" however you'd like it. So if I wanted to make the title look like this, I could go like that, tap it, and I'm done. And so like I said, this is cool. I hope this makes sense. Bye.